What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you some of our brand new merch. What? There's a bear.
Don't leave me! Oh no! Oh, shoot me! No, do you have any food to give it?
Got my pizza.
Oh, dude, toss it, toss it!
You don't want the food? What do you want? What do you want? My merch? Unbelievable. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's 12:45 p.m. and it is in the mid-30s right now. This is a winter weather update for Big Bear, California. Let's see, it's February 12th, 2025. So, of course, this is what's gonna happen, right? Look at all the snow. Just take a look at all the beautiful snow. Such a bummer. So by this point, we could have had maybe 2 or 3 inches. And then this evening, maybe 2 to 3 inches more. But right now, according to my vehicle, it's in the mid-30s. We're getting a little bit of extremely light drizzle. And yeah. But speaking of the forecast, it can change, just like it changed rapidly to have really not much snow at all today. But it's still showing tonight less than 1 inch of snow. And that's through the rest of this day, guys. Less than 1 inch of snow. But then tomorrow, in the morning time, probably by noon, we could see 3 to 5 inches. And then in the evening time, 8 to 12 inches. So we still could see 18 inches of snow just tomorrow. And then Friday, it's saying we'll see about 1 to 3 inches in the morning. And then the storm's gonna be gone. But hey, I mean, what do you expect, you guys? This is what happens up here all the time. This is our standard procedure when it comes to predictions. But I can't fault the meteorologists because they're just following precisely what their models are showing them. But it just always happens up here. Again, it's not the meteorologist's fault. This area, I've come to realize, is so impossible to truly predict it well. But yeah, so we're gonna do a little drive through parts of Big Bear City. But Bear Mountain always looks dang gorgeous. My gosh, I love that. Seriously, guys, this is one of my favorite views in all of Big Bear. That right there. I love it. I love it, I love it. And we just got a message from a friend of the channel. Their husband was here skiing and broke his leg and had to be airlifted down to Palm Springs. So hopefully everyone can keep them in their thoughts and prayers. That's just horrible. That is absolutely horrible. I really hope he heals up quickly. Don't forget, guys, if you want to support the channel, go to bigbearweatherandmore.com. I'd really appreciate it. To get your ski and snowboard rental equipment at a 15% discount, go to Getboards on Big Bear Boulevard, really close to the village, 1 block and 2 blocks away from the village. Both of the shops are on the on Big Bear Boulevard, our main street, and tell them that I sent you, and you'll get 15% off, or they will wax your skis and snowboards free of charge. And for you first responders, all season long, 50% off of rentals at Getboards every Wednesday. And every Wednesday, they're also offering free skiing up here at the resorts if you're a first responder. Just make sure you bring your first responder ID, whatever it may be, and come take advantage of that. You deserve it. You definitely deserve it. It's raining, bro. But yeah, again, I was able to sleep for 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours, so I feel great actually. And when I went to sleep at that for 2.5 to 3 hours, it still showed that we had a whole bunch of snow coming today. Not a whole bunch, but maybe up to 6 inches by the time we change into Thursday. But tomorrow's gonna be hopefully freaking amazing. And tomorrow evening, when it's supposed to be almost blizzard conditions for a while, I have a reservation, my wife and I, at Peppercorn Grill for the Thanksgiving dinner. And since I know she isn't gonna watch this probably because I put up way too many videos and she's super busy, I kind of overspent for my wife on Thanksgiving, spent money I definitely don't have, or Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day. I see, I'm still very tired. But she's gonna be super stoked with a new Louis Vuitton bag. Seriously, that's like making my bum pucker a bit just thinking about it. But you know, I have a credit card with an 11% APR and it had a 0 balance. And you know what? That woman puts up with me so much, you guys. You have no idea. No idea what that woman goes through. Because I'm always working, or I'm always doing this channel and responding to comments. I'm just trying to work as hard as I can to possibly give us the best life possible down the road. You know, when we're older. She deserves it. That woman's been through so much heck in life. And God bless her. She still sticks around, man. So I know buying somebody things isn't gonna always make things great, but I think it'll be a shot to her system to get one of those Keepall boulangerie bags or whatever it's called. It's like one of the pieces of luggage. I don't know. I think it's called Keepall, Keepall. So I'm hoping she's super excited. And she also loves that Pandora jewelry stuff. So she sent me a list of a couple rings that she wanted. And of course, you know, the financial situation, but I got her all 4 of those too. I put them inside the Louis Vuitton bag. So I'm hoping she has the most amazing Valentine's Day and knows that she is truly, truly loved, since I'm not the best at showing my love. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day to everybody else out there too. Again, I'm usually very responsible with my money because we don't have much, and but you only live once, and my beautiful wife, she deserves a beautiful piece of luxury. But yeah, we're gonna take the side streets here and just go through Big Bear City a little bit. Take you on a nice little 3-hour tour. And I should have thought about this. Please don't leave any comments about the Valentine's Day gifts until after Valentine's Day, maybe, because I think she does sometimes read the comments, but I sure am excited about going out to dinner. I really wanted to top it off and make it the most perfect night and go to our favorite steakhouse, because with all due respect, like, we're settling at our steakhouses and fine dining restaurants up here, but we like to go down to Ruth's Chris in Palm Springs maybe once a month or once every other month and go get our favorite steak. But unfortunately, I just can't risk being away. Last time we went down to Ruth's Chris, I missed a lot of business, and it was hard. So again, now that I have a big bill on my credit card, I just can't afford to risk losing any business. But Ruth's, yeah, that would have been literally the perfect Valentine's Day for us. Alright, here we are at Big Bear Boulevard. And we are in Big Bear City. It's a cute looking BMW. It looks like a Mini Cooper, but I think BMW makes Mini Cooper, actually. I could be wrong. But yeah, we're driving over here just to see what it looks like, if they have any snow over here. Because sometimes this side of town will be a little bit colder. But no, it's still 35 degrees. Getting some super light drizzle. Almost like a mist. That's how light it is. And then right here we're passing Big Bear Smoke and Vape. That's their van also. Again, guys, go show Sahil a bunch of love, man, please. Even if you're not a smoker or a vapor, they have other stuff there, other cool little trinkets and stuff like that, and just really, really great dude. Gives me a lot of love, and he's a good business owner up here. And speaking of business owners, don't forget, instead of shopping at Vaughn's and Stater Brothers, in the Big Bear Lake side of town, you guys, there's Lakeview Market and Boulder Bay Market. Please try to shop there for all your grocery needs, especially Lakeview Market, because they have everything pretty much that a grocery store has, locally owned. Really, really, really sweet people. And also, when you're actually, you know, spending money there, you're allowing the employees to get more hours there. And you know what? All the employees are really, really sweet also. So whatever we can do to help those two spots out as well would be great. And then for your gas, go to Moonridge Fuel on the corner of Moonridge Road and Big Bear Boulevard. Again, locally owned. High quality gasoline as well. And yeah. This is what I ask of y'all airport, the aeropuerto. It'd be kind of cool to fly out right now during the storm, but with these little Cessnas and whatnot, that probably wouldn't be the brightest idea. We're on a street called Greenway right now. Okay, now we're on Northshore. This is the route that I usually take when I'm going in between Big Bear Lake and Big Bear City, just to avoid any traffic in Big Bear Lake. It's always pretty quiet up here. It runs parallel to Big Bear Boulevard, just on the other side of what would be the lake. Then just so you guys know, tonight, once it starts snowing again, it looks like maybe around 8 o'clock, I will definitely be going back out to another video. I just wish we'd be doing these snow videos during the daytime, because I love driving around in the day and showing you guys what it looks like when it's coming down during the day. It's 37 degrees, so that leads me to believe at the top of Snow Summit and Bear Mountain, it's probably still above freezing. And again, this is not good. This is not good. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that if we do get a lot of rain tomorrow instead of a lot of snow, I don't think our resort's gonna stay open more than a few more weeks. My prediction, I think they're gonna cut their losses. But tomorrow, hopefully at least the top of the mountain sees snow all day long. Because if they do, they could get probably 3 to 4 feet. And that would be pretty epic. If Mother Nature would just show us a little bit of love and allow it to snow all day without any rain, oh man, that'd be wonderful. That would be wonderful. She's been super stingy this season. But look around, she's beautiful though. Man, she is gorgeous. Damn, nature, you crazy. My favorite neighborhood in town. The street's called Bear Loop. I always forget what the name of the neighborhood is. Maybe the name of the neighborhood is Bear Loop as well. But I'm talking about all the houses that are down on that prairie. And this neighborhood is full of big, beautiful homes, and most of them are Airbnb. Northshore East is what the neighborhood's called. Northshore East. All right. Back into Big Bear Lake, but we're going to be crossing over Stanfield Cutoff here, which gives us some pretty nice views of the lake, and then that whole prairie side of things on the other side. lake water is pretty choppy. It's a little bit choppy over here as well. I wish they wouldn't have put this stupid green fence right here. It just kills my view every time I'm driving by. Well, you guys, again, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Hope you're having a great day. Sorry about the lack of snow, but it's definitely coming. It's definitely coming. Since things changed so drastically already just today, they could change that much tomorrow and bring us that much more snow. So don't be discouraged, even though this is, as I said, standard procedure for this area. I'm hoping it changes a little bit. So I love you guys. Thank you guys again for everything, all the support, all the love. And yeah, bigbearweathermore.com. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to help the channel. Go to the description of the video. You can help me out there. And until next time, you guys. Again, it's February 12th, 2025. And I will see you guys tonight. Peace out. Unless it starts really snowing before tonight, then I got y'all. I'll see you soon.